Wildcat Creek right above Nook Pool. It's a beautiful stretch. More incredible rock outcrops here, volcanic detritus, ejecta. Comes alive in the rains. Wildcat Creek, whoo, love it here. Flowing into Nook Pool. Wow. Very cool. Woo! Check it out. Doesn't get any better right in your backyard. Woo! Oh, sweet. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Just uprooted right there. See? Right uprooted?
I do. We're here at the bend just below Lake Anza on Wildcat Creek, and a bunch of trees came down. They broke this fence. Probably happened in these recent rains, obviously. I mean, they've been attending to it. They've sawed that off, but this stretch right here is always a favorite of mine. There's some really beautiful waterfalls right up ahead, coming down off the spillway of Lake Anza. This is a 10 million year old volcanic plug or dome, the remnants of. And with these rains, Wildcat Creek is recharged and it's beautiful. Well, this is the way up to the hidden waterfalls. Lake Anza is just right over that impoundment. And I wrote about this last year or so. Here's the little hut that's in disrepair along the Lake Anza or the Wildcat Gorge Trail. And the secret waterfalls are up in there. You're in a beautiful redwood forest. These trees are probably 75 years old. Gorgeous. Wow, our first view. There it is. Sweet. It's just tough to get here because you got to come through this kind of stuff. But it's worth it because, oh boy, check it out. Wow. Nice. I mean, I bushwhacked all the way up there and it was tough. Up through here. I'm not going to do it today, but I wanted to get just a little bit of this video of this ephemeral secret falls falling off these high cliffs right here, all volcanic rock. When it comes to life, it's magic. Well, I'm going to try to get a little closer. Whoa, it is tough. It's slippery, but there it is. It's totally cool. Okay, tell me that doesn't rock. Woo! Not everybody's going to be seeing this site today, guaranteed. Okay, I had to knuckle down and get closer to expose its full glory and majesty in this ephemeral moment. Unless the rains continue, this will dry up in 2 days, 3 days. Tough to get to this little spot. This vantage point might not look like much, but you know, it's all brambles and tangles. That's what makes it tough. Gotta love it though. I wrote about this in my blog last year. Google Tilden, Secret Falls, Gambling Man, you'll find